So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to remove an image background here in Google Docs. So if you were to upload an image into Google Docs, which I have right here, but you wanted to remove the background, there actually isn't like any options right here. Like if you go to size, if you go to text wrapping, if you go to like recolor, if you go to adjustments, like you can change the opacity, but it doesn't end up, actually getting rid of the background per se. There's not anything you can really do in here. So the alternative is you have to remove the background externally and then upload that file in. So I'll give you three different options right here depending on what you guys have access to. So the first one, and it is free, it is remove.bg. So I'm going to go ahead and link this website down below in the description of this video. So if you want to go ahead and upload your video, which in my case I did here and it pretty much did a good job, you can go ahead and download this. Now another way is you can do this through Canva, and I'll show you that right now. So the second way is if you guys have Canva. So if you were to go ahead and upload this image to Canva right here and you go to BG remove, you do have to have the pro version, I assume. You can go ahead and remove it this way. Then you can go ahead and press share. Then you can go ahead and press download, and then make sure when you're downloading that if you were to go to transparent background right here, that you guys are actually going to download it this way. Now the last version is also going to be through ChatGPT. So inside of ChatGPT, if you upload the photo and say, can you remove this image? Press enter, it'll go ahead and remove the background. Remove the background. I meant. Whoops. So we'll go ahead and it's going to go ahead and create the image. This way I'll catch up to you guys once it is done. So it could come up with something like this. Now it's going to look a little bit different because it's through ChatGPT, but you can always go ahead and just download this option right here. And then you have a couple different ways of having the background removed. So once the background is removed, you can go ahead and add it to your document here. So as you can scroll down, this is the ChatGPT version. It probably is my favorite. And it does look the best there, so I can go ahead and do that. This is the one from image.bg, so they also kind of work the same, so in my opinion, the ChatGPT one is the greatest. But you can go ahead and basically compare and contrast and do it this way. So if you were to go ahead and move the images around, you can kind of do this and remove the background accordingly. So that is how you guys can remove the background of an image here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.